Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming network and account parity. Your iPad and Apple TV must share the same Wi-Fi and Apple ID so AirPlay trusts the connection. Once done, swipe to Open Control Center. This gets you straight into mirroring controls. Tap Screen Mirroring and scan the list. Select your Apple TV name. If prompted, enter the on-screen code shown on the TV to pair. This step initiates the secure link that lets you stream or mirror apps effortlessly. Next, choose whether to mirror your entire iPad or cast from an app like Photos, Apple TV, or YouTube. Mirroring duplicates the whole screen, casting sends only the app. Once connected, make sure the aspect and orientation match the TV. Some apps auto-switch to 16:9 while others need rotation. Use the iPad volume buttons or the Siri remote for fine control. Also, enable AirPlay in app settings if available to reduce latency and improve playback quality. To finish, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or select Disconnect in the app. This cleanly ends streaming and frees network resources. If you encounter issues, no device found, lag, or audio only, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, toggle AirPlay off and on, or reboot the Apple TV and iPad. Make sure both devices run current software, because updates often fix AirPlay bugs. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh authorization and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.